So I'm out here in Eastwood for a customer today who's got a granny flat here, and basically they're going to want to share the internet with the granny flat. So the Sparkies have put in these cables which go to sockets inside the granny flat, and today, a pretty simple one, just going to be taking it through into the house, putting a socket in the house, an Ethernet port, and then just get a patch out of that Ethernet port into the router, to the network switch, which will send the data through the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port in the granny flat, where they're going to plug in a router. So yeah, this is how you do it if you want to share the internet with a granny flat. So I've got a conduit there now coming out of this one, got it all siliconed up, and then got it going through into there. Now the issue we got is that the cable that the Sparkies had already left and already put in going to the granny flat is not long enough to get it where I need to go to. So I've just been under the house and I've run another Cat 6 cable. So what I'm going to do, we're going to put keystone on this end, keystone on that end, and then we're going to use a patch lead to patch them in, and then we'll tape it all up and then clip it all up underneath here. That's the best way to do it, because otherwise you'd have to pull in a whole new cable. And that's just impossible to do because of how they've sort of got it run, and it's all in the concrete slab over here, and you know, there's no cavities or anything in that wall. So this is what we're going to do. Right. So that's it, got my keystone on this end now, mounted that up. I just ran a test going through the cabling that I've done with the two keystones and joined up by the patch lead, and that's all testing fine. So yeah, happy days. That's it basically. Now they're connected up. Now they've just got to plug out of their network switch here, one of these ports, patch lead into that, which will go to the granny flat, and at the granny flat then they just plug in a Wi-Fi router to give them internet down there.